Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm getting a lot of questions, especially after passport stamping process has been started in India, because many people, those who are relatives of uh, people, those who have temporary resident status in Canada, they are asking when exactly they can apply for travel authorization for Canada. Do they need to wait till their passport comes back, or can they do it right now after it has been approved? So well guys, I thought of showing it to you with some evidence. So right now in front of you I have opened how to request a written authorization from IRCC. So if you see, so this is for the temporary resident section I have taken you. So it clearly gives you two scenarios. There's one scenario for, in fact two for ETA, but we'll go for the visitor visa for now. So if you have a valid visitor visa or an application is in progress now, if you have a visitor visa, means if you have a visitor visa stamped on your passport, and when it says application in progress, means you have applied but not completed. Having said that, if you have got your passport request letter and you are about to send, or you have already sent, still it is in process. Technically it is called completed when your stamped passport is returned to you, means your application is over. Because technically before pandemic, they used to give you 30 days, and if you, due to whatever reason, if you could not send, then your application is cancelled, denied, whatever term you want to use. So that means technically still until it is stamped, it is in progress. So this first section applies to you. Now the second section is if you need a visitor visa and but haven't applied for yet. So let's go for the first link, what to do if you already applied for a visitor visa. So you need to send them an email and provide the information, and make sure you attach all the supporting documents and whatever information they have asked, because I have seen some subscribers commenting that their application was put on hold, and they asked to provide more details. So this is unnecessarily gonna increase your processing time that you would really like to avoid during this pandemic situation when things are not in place, and you have to send only one email. All right. Okay. All right. Now now how to apply for a visitor visa, that link is also here. If you need a visitor Canada, you must apply online. Okay, fill out the form, and they have said to you what answers you need to select. Now what evidence you need to submit, here you have. All right, so you can go through this page and plan your travel accordingly, or if you haven't applied, plan for your application accordingly. So this is really going to help you. You can read it all yourself. Thank you for now.